to walk down these aisles and look at the pews, the old pews. And actually, it's in a lot better shape than I thought it would be. And there's no pot-bellied stove. Awesome. The seats. Doors. There's the windows all boarded up. Swing around to the front. Slowly
It's
walk.
got the genuine ceiling in it for sure.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see that.
And we're looking at the pulpit, and let's look at that genuine ceiling.
What?
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I'm
That
saying.
is
I'm glad to
beautiful.
see that.
Got a few spots. It's beautiful. The old light fixture. Probably added a lot later. Let's go up here. Look at these old chairs. Beautiful. Workmanship. They don't do this anymore.
Got too much light from behind it. Take that one.
The old pulpit. There's some graffiti, which I don't care to show. The old pulpit, isn't it beautiful?
Like I said many times,